Hi, my name is Laura and I will talk about the activities I do and I never do. I have already gone to cinema because I like to spend time with my family. Since I entered college, I like the way I manage my finance. I have always gone to my sister's house Christmas because it's important to stay with my family in that time. I have only been to Cartagena because it was my 15th birthday. I have ever read a book because I like learn new things. I have always thought in my future because it's important for my life. I have wanted to write a book about mystery to delight the reader. I have never met my grandfather because they didn't know life when I was born. I have not done any strong sport yet because I have not had the opportunity. I have not been to a foreign country because I have not been able to save for the trip. I have never attended a concert because my favorite artists have not arrived in the country in recent years. Since I was little, I have not learned to ride a bike because since I have never been interested in sports. I have never liked parties because I do not like to dance or be around many people. I have never said that I want a man to support me because I think I can get by my own. Thank you.